You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now. Drop with me now. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I have on a mic today, so I'm doing something a little bit different. So I hope the sound sounds different for you guys too. We're trying to step our cookies up, okay? So I'm coming through and I have this unit from Outre. This is a part of the Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig Collection. We have Kalani. So first things first, I know I'm already beat. Sometimes Joe is on tour, so sometimes it's just easier for me to multitask. So I'll beat my face and talk to my husband on the phone at the same damn time. So look at me with my stains on my hoodie. I don't care. Y'all about to get this wig, okay, honey? So this unit is a 12-inch bob. Okay, now she is relatively expensive, so she must be about to give us, she must be about to get us all the way together, honey. So this is Miss Kalani. Why are my nails not done? This is Miss Kalani. Okay, we have her in 12 inches. Okay, so this is her. She is a side part bob wig. Okay, let's dig on into the inside. I love when you get the ear to ear lace, and then we have like that part in the middle, and it's a nice healthy part too. So she looks about 5 or 6 inches. Can you guys get that? Let's to get out the way this being. There you go. So 5 or 6 inches. She has ear to ear lace. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever, as well as the band. Okay, so right out the back, she looks really, really good to me. I'm just going to throw her on my head so we can get a better idea, right? You know what I mean? Like I feel like I haven't done a lot of synthetical wigs in a minute. Ooh, she is nice and she felt good too. And no, I don't have a cap on, and no, I don't suggest that. Always wear a cap. It's just good for your hair, guys. And usually I'm a big proponent of healthy hair, but today I'm just throwing it on because I want to see what your mother is looking like. Okay. Okay, I see. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Look how easy. Okay, so it looks like all we got to do is cut the lace then, right? I mean, we're going to do a little something because if you're picking up what I'm putting down, something that's happening here. But do we go deeper or do we go a little less deep? Somewhere around here is where she need to be. But I like mine to lay a little bit flatter than that. I'm going to shop my Mimi's Head and Mouth. This unit is going for just around $47 on most wig sites. I'm going to make sure I add her to my Amazon store as well, so you guys can pick her up there. And then we're going to work her on out and see what we can get her to do. Okay. Real quick. I'm going to leave everything that I use down in my Amazon store. The texture of this hair is giving Dominican blowout realness. The cap is big, okay? The shedding, non-existent. All right, I'm going to shut my Mimi's Head and Mouth because we're about to dig into all the details of this unit and how she got me feeling and sitting all pretty today. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Would you believe me if I told you I just filmed this whole end of this video and it was not recording and I just hit the record button? Wow. All right. So I guess I'm about to run it back. That's me running it back. Okay. I'm coming through and I'm talking to you all about the Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig Kalani. She's in 12 inches. I have her in the color number 1. Okay, uno. So this unit is absolutely stunning. She stinks, she's nasty. I'm outdone by her. Completely outdone. Outre did not come to play. Boom, bing, pow. Okay, literally did not came to play. Came in, kicked the door in. Not me. Outre did that. All I did was throw her up on my head like a hat. That's all I did. She's a fitted cap for her. All right. I went through with my Andy straightening comb. I must have known what look I was going for today. I did the cat eye, everything. The only thing I'm missing is my nails, but I need to braid my hair. So that's why I don't have no nails on. So don't say nothing to me about it, okay? Don't say nothing to me about it. I use my Andy straightening comb. You can find this on my Amazon store as well. I'm obsessed with it. Like I love it. I love it. Okay. And I just went on through and just hit her up in the front just to give her a more natural look. Like, look at that. I didn't put anything in this except for that and this. And I was going to do a little, you could do a little shake that and little bing, 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 to make sure that she really does lay and looks phenomenal. Look at that. Nothing. I don't even think I colored the lace. I didn't color the lace. It's just picking up whatever makeup I'm putting down. How about that? Look at that. Girl, good night. Less than $50. Less than $50, okay? To give a vibe. You got to work. You got church in the morning. Okay? Are you trying to get First Lady realness? Okay? Is Miss Obama the inspiration? All right? Are you giving Miss Sarah Jakes? Ooh, you feeling a little Olivia Pope? This is for you. She's nasty. This is for, am I not giving Olivia Pope? Realness. I'm obsessed with this. I think this is really well done. The unit has ear-to-ear frontal effect hairline, which gives us that natural look. Like, girl, good night. Goodbye. Like, gives us the natural look that we're looking for with this unit. Stunning. Stunning. She did not tangle. She did not shed. Okay. The hair is a little bit shiny, but I think that's a small price to pay. You just go on there with some dry shampoo, which I did not. I'm just leaving her shiny because she's kind of giving healthy hair blowout situation shit. You picking up what I'm putting down? Let me turn around so you can see the back. What do you think? Let me know what you think. I think she's stunning. I think she's absolutely positively stunning. I really couldn't be happier with how she turned out. I'm looking a little ashy when I come closer. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like it. But she really is beautiful to me, guys. I think that you all need to check her out, okay? She's going for less than $50 on most wig sites. I'll make sure I leave her in my Amazon store as well. This Elf Cosmetics is phenomenal. I'll give you guys a brief little commercial. All I did was hit blink, 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 bang, bang, all up in the part. Okay, got it right. Me and we tap them together. And this Halo Glow liquid filter is some of the best stuff out. So it really is comparable to Makeup by Mario if you're looking for a dupe. Okay, this is one. She really is absolutely stunning. She's really liquidy. She gives you a nice little shine. She blends phenomenally. This is what I have on right now. And if I'm being 1,000% honest, I'll pay a pretty coin for my foundation because I'm a brown girl and I just need to make sure it look right. That's the truth. And I'll pay any price for it to look like skin. But this time around, it didn't cost much. So make sure you check out the ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. I'll make sure I leave that in my Amazon store as well a link below so you guys can grab that as well. Other than that, I ain't got nothing else to say. I done sang to you. I done gave you an inspiration. I'm done. I'm done. That's my mic. Hello, do you hear me? I'm done. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Bye!